In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create consistency with templates in Clickup. Consistency in Clickup starts with building one solid example of what good looks like and then saving it as a template so your team can reuse it every time. Templates help you standardize your workflow, reduce manual setup, and keep things like task structure, fields, and checklists the same across projects. Begin by navigating to your Clickup board view where your work requests or tasks live. Once you are in the board, click into the item you want to standardize. The goal here is to make sure this task is set up exactly the way you want future tasks to look. Take a moment to confirm it. Includes the right description, any subtasks you always use, and the checklists that guide your process. If your workflow relies on specific assignees or custom fields, make sure those are also in place before you save anything. When you are ready to turn that into a reusable template, open the three-dot or ellipsis menu for the task. From that menu, go to Templates and then choose Save as Template. This is the key action that captures your setup and makes it available later. After selecting Save as Template, you will be prompted to name it. Type a clear, specific name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to build a small library of templates. A helpful tip is to include the purpose of the task in the name, so there is no confusion when someone is moving quickly. Next, click Save Template to confirm. Once you do that, your template is stored and ready to reuse whenever you create similar work again. To apply your saved templates consistently, you can use the Template Center in Clickup. This makes it easier to find, update, and apply templates in one place, instead of recreating tasks from scratch. You can also save templates at a larger scale, like entire lists or even spaces, if you want consistent structures for full projects. For checklists specifically, you can save a checklist as a template from inside a task, so the same checklist can be inserted whenever needed. That covers everything you need to know.